Hello, my name is Janet Blanco Ortega. I live in San Calixto. My story is Saturday Surprise. This is a story on time. The story don't have time. What is the story about? The story is about a young man who is storing chair hole, and the family was to surprise him. What is the central idea? The central idea is Carlos' birthday. Is it implicit or explicit? The story is explicit because it tells the facts in clear way, and this is interesting. Who is protagonist of the story? This story is Carlos, trying to start his and family, but one social class status of occupation. Carlos has 20 shareholders. He is a small family, raising only by his mother. His social class in a very young. He is a university student. He has a very close and loving family. What is the problem present in the story? The problem is the anomaly in the Carlos house. How was the problem solved on the hand? In the end, the problem was solved in the very positive way and with much happiness. What point in this story is the tension hence? The hence tension is when Carlos leaves the room since he has scared. So wrong. Is that the dramatic climax? Yes, because at that moment there is suspense and there is more tension. Does the story involve an epiphanny or moment of sin revelation of self-realization for the protagonist or for the reader? How is this moment present? The story implies self-realization because the protagonist assumes something that the world is what fulfills thanks to the family, but in some place doesn't handle because both the protagonist and the reader could understand why the silence in the house. My story is Saturday Surprise. Bye, thank you.